probably can see, I work on several things at the same time. So here I want to do a sketch of this concept that I have. I built this illuminated wall art piece that which is slab built. Basically what it means when something is slab built is you roll things out on a table and then you cut it out and connect it. And so I built this slab piece that is, I'll show it to you in a minute, but basically what I'm gonna try to do is to throw the entire piece. So the idea is, this is the wheel head, and I'm looking, this is a front view. What I'm gonna do is to flatten the clay to about this height. And then I'm gonna open up the clay internally, so create a space in here, on the inside. And then the thickness of the bottom will be like around 0.25 or a quarter inch, right? The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push down the clay on this end and flatten it to create a lip. So it'll look like this. And then I'm gonna lift this clay up on both sides, of course. And then I'm gonna fold it over. So this is the view of it. This is the cross-section view. So then I'm gonna turn this to the side so that you can see how it would look on a wall. So on a wall, this is how it would look, and this is the wall. So I can probably color it just to show you a better view of what you're actually looking at. This is the edge of the piece, and then it would go like this. And you wouldn't see the this wheel head, of course. So if I were to draw this front view, it would be this round front, right, with a very thin lip, and then there's an internal structure, of course, that you can't see. And so basically it would be off the wall maybe an inch, right? Because the space between here is about an inch. And then I'll be wrapping an LED piece of tape all the way around the inside, and then the light will illuminate out this way. And part of the reason why I created this internal structure inside here is because then I could put the connector for the transformer, and then there's a hole down here on the bottom, so then the cord would come down and come out the bottom. So that's basically the concept of this piece. So this is the piece I was talking about. It's gonna be a illuminated wall art piece. So it's gonna hang with that little piece there. And then this is the hole where the cord will come out of, and it'll attach to the wall, and the LED strip will be around the inside there to illuminate this piece of wall art. So this is the concept. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm trying to throw it like this, flat, and see if I can make one piece rather than building it slab built like I did this piece. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this piece.